What's up guys, thanks for tuning in. And today's a quick little video. We're gonna be looking at how to set up your radar detector so that you're using your car mirror to power it. It's a super easy install, so let's get started.
So if you're rocking a C8, you may have a radar detector. Not sure why anyone would have one because we all drive the speed limit, right? Anyways, if you end up having one, it may be worth taking the time to install a power cord that feeds directly into the power mirror. By doing this, you can bypass having to funnel a power line all the way to a plug, which in this case on the C8 is located inconveniently underneath the glove box. So it's a cleaner look that really helps keep things from obstructing your view. So tools for this job are pretty simple, and really all you need is a flathead screwdriver to do this, along with the actual wire harness itself. Generally, a thinner or smaller flathead will help, but honestly any sort will do, including even using trim tools with a flat face. And I'll have links in the description below for you to find what I used. So to do this install, we need to hop on into the passenger side for easier access. First, we'll need to remove the cover that's located behind the power mirror. Using the flathead screwdriver, you'll want to place it in the slot underneath and twist it open as you pull the cover off. It's worth noting that it does help using a twisted motion to get the cover to initially release. Next, we can look at how the harness should be hooked up. Now, when I was filming this, the camera up close was having a hard time capturing the right details, so I made this simple wiring diagram of the connector and the main wires that you'll see. The important ones that we care about are the red wire, which is the power wire, as well as the black wire, which will be your ground. So the wire harness we used comes ready from the start and already has the right connectors needed to plug directly in, so no splicing or soldering is required. It uses a telephone connector jack that is usually standard for radar detectors as well. If you order the same pack that I have, you're going to use the smallest connector. To connect it is pretty simple, as we need to just place the color wires to match the correct colors. In this case, our red wire goes to the red connector and the black wire goes to the black. Use your fingers to slide the connector into the correct hole slot that the pre-existing wire sits in. The wire shouldn't take much force to insert and should stay in place, but make sure to keep an eye that they don't fall out until they're fully secured by the cover. Next, we'll want to do an initial test to make sure that the power is flowing correctly to your radar detector. Go to the driver's side and turn the car on to ensure that you see the radar detector has power. Afterwards, you can go back to the passenger side to place the cover back on. Before placing the cover, reroute the wires to the other side of the mirror. This will help with clearances as you place the cover back on. Make sure that the curved edge is facing upwards and place the side with the wire connectors on first and press the other side into place. It's a tight fit with the wiring sticking out, but should snap into place with a bit of force. Afterwards, reconnect the wire to the radar detector and turn the car on to check that the power is still feeding correctly. If it turns on, then you're done. And it's important to note that no mirror damage should be caused by the harness if it's installed properly.
So thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please check out any of my other how-to videos like this one here for your C8 or car needs.